Traders, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, a little bit of a message from me from our boy Dave Portnoy.
We can't have anyone freak out there, okay? We've got to keep our composure. We've come too far. There's too much to lose. We've got to keep our composure.
Okay, it's a little far. All right, guys, the charts are crazy. The stocks are crazy. We're getting a dip today, but I'm not concerned at all. I'm going to get into the charts and show you where we're going because we're probably going to Mars. We're sitting at the moon on the rover, kind of just chilling, but I'm going to get into everything going on. We're going to be talking about Vlad because Vlad's going to be very important with the Robinhood stuff going on. I want to address a few things that people are having a lot of questions about because I have the answers to secure the bag, boys. But by the way, I'm not a financial advisor to do own due diligence, but let's get right into it, boys. Okay, so in the video, we're gonna do a few things. We're gonna go over the volume because the volume is through the roof today. That's what I mentioned yesterday. We wanna see the volume increase. We're seeing sideways action. We want the sideways action as well. After hours, we're getting primed for another massive run. This is everything we could be asking for right now. Don't be discouraged that we're sitting at the 1050 range. It's absolutely insane. I couldn't ask for anything more. I'm still targeting $14, $15 on the after hours tonight. Now, a lot of people were asking me too, look, it looks like we're not hitting $25 today. First of all, we definitely could in the after hours. But you know what? I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to extend this challenge for the $600 if you don't know. So what we're going to do, if AMC hits $25 by tonight, we were going to go out, give $600 to $500 worth of AMC gift cards to random people throughout Houston and just say, hey boys, it's on Wall Street and it's on AMC, boys. Have a good one. That's what we're going to do from the mob. But things change. We're moving a little bit down in the negative direction right now, moving sideways, a little bit more sideways action than we expected. So I'm going to put my money where the mouth is, okay? We're going to go until tomorrow, until Friday close. If we don't hit $25, we won't do it. But we hit $25, the option drop community, we're going to give out $500 worth of AMC gift cards to the people of Houston, okay? So make sure you're in the live tonight because I'm going to be live 9 to 10 p.m. Central. We'll be there, okay? All night long, we're going to be there talking AMC, talking GameStop, seeing where the stocks are going. But let's not waste any more time here. Let's get into the articles. Let's get into the juicy stuff. I know that's why you're here. Okay, so the first thing, we're going to go to historical data. Look at this. This is the most important kind of aspect right now. The volume. We're about halfway through the day, guys. 3 hours left and we're already seeing at 300 mil. This is what we wanted. I have a feeling we're gonna get the billion worth of volume tomorrow come Friday into the week close. That's gonna be the day for massive runs, boys. That's what I'm looking for is tomorrow, big runs. I entered more positions this morning on the dip, around $300, $400 more worth of AMC calls. I don't think it's gotten started yet. I'm gonna get to the chart here in a sec, so bear with me, but the volume's ramping up. We're only halfway through the day. Yesterday at close, we were at 230 mil and we get to 352 on the after hours. Keep that in mind, guys. The volume's rolling in. The after hours is when volume really kicks in as well. Okay, so this is this is what everyone was talking about. I had a lot of questions going on about this. So it was a Robinhood parody account that did it was a Robinhood parody account that tweeted this out. Tomorrow we're doing an upgrade on our systems, buying in some stocks may be limited. Dave kind of freaked out. I had so many questions going on about this. People were literally freaking out, but don't worry, it was just a prank, something like that. Also, Vlad also commented on this. He commented on this back to Dave, and this is where I like this. This is where I really like this. Vlad is getting on the team, guys. He's trying to say, I'm gonna let this run. I think he's just trying to say it, but he's explaining that they do these stops, that they're doing these halts. Halts are normal on the stock, guys. When it moves excess in amounts, they're gonna halt the stock. That's totally normal. It happens to every stock all the time. It happens to the Nasdaq when it starts to dump. It's good for the market, right? So it's normal, okay? This is worth noting. But now this is what everyone needs to know is Vlad, he commented back to Dave and he said, it's false, it's not true. So that was good news to know overall. So worth noting, he actually sent a meme, a YouTube video. So that was awesome. So overall, feeling very good here with Vlad. I don't think they're going to come in and pause all trading. I think this is going to have its run. Now be careful, take your profits when you want. I'm not a financial advisor, but don't be greedy, guys. Use the money you make here to really start your financial investments, guys. You're getting a part 2 here. You're getting a second chance at this. Very often in life do we get second chances like this, and you're getting a second chance. But now we're looking at the chart, boys. This is the juicy content. This is what we want to focus on and see what's going on right now. So before we get into it, this is what I really liked that got us started. The double bottom on the OBV down here. We touched the range and never looked back. and you saw we held this range down here. We were making videos the whole time in that range. Now we broke above this local high here, the 9.8. I can't believe we're holding it on the first try, but we're doing what we're doing, boys. It's looking absolutely insane. And then now let's get into the chart and what's going on. So yesterday, if you're in the live, if you've been in any of the lives, it's all about the VWAP for me. The VWAP shows when we're getting that next push, and it keeps doing it every day. So it wasn't surprising from when we opened up high and came back down and then trended on the VWAP. And now we're finally sitting back above it, gaining momentum. We see GameStop already pushing to 152, 160 range again. AMC has not started, guys. I'm telling you, the $14, $15 push is coming, in my opinion. Now, this is just my opinion. So do your own DD, do your own financial due diligence on the stock, everything like that. I'm just giving you my opinion, but we're looking very good. And we've been following the TA almost to a T. Now, what we're looking at here, the fact that we're holding the 9.8, we love that. I love that we're holding above $10. Now, what we want to see in the near-term future is this gap close up here on the $13 range. I think it's going to happen very, very quick, but it's worth noting a lot of people are talking about taking profits around the $14 range, so that could hurt. But if you're holding, be careful. Just know that none of this is guaranteed to keep going afloat. We could dump at any time. You need to keep that in account. And so some people are looking to get out. They're already making life-changing money, but I do think there's more to come. The stock still looks great. I definitely see this $14, $15 push coming, and that 17 area up here is going to be a big resistance. If we flip the $17 range, I think there's a possibility we start pushing above these $20 range and start going towards the $25 to $30 targets up there. The $25 target, boys, I want us to hit it. I want to have the giveaway. I want to get the mob out there, boys. I want to give back to the community like we want to do. That's what this channel is all about. Not only are we making money, not only are we trading every single day, we want to give back to the community, to the people in need, and some of the people that we want to just give back to and just show the love back to the people. So let's talk just for a second about AMC and where I see it going and what it's doing and kind of the hype behind it. Now, today we're getting that sideways movement. The consolidation is what we love to see. Consolidation typically leads to more upside. I preach this on the channel. It's literally the center of our trading majority of the time. We look for good consolidation, and then we continue to play it to the upside. And AMC is doing that right now. We're getting the consolidation we wanted. We're seeing massive amounts of volume coming in. If it's consolidating and volume is kicking up, this always tells us the stock is going to continue. Now, this is just based on what I'm doing right now. This is why we got in at that bottom, at that $6 range, and why we mentioned it. But now we're flipping the 9.8 range. What's next after that? The $13 to $14 range. And then if we flip that, it's the $17. If we hold above 17, I'm telling you, 25 is in the books. If we hold above $17, $25 is in the books. And I don't care if we hit it during hours, after hours, or pre-market. If we hit $25, we are doing the giveaway. For the people, by the people. That's what we're doing here in the Option Drop community. And you guys know I'm a man of the word. I entered options in my last video because I said I would. I didn't even really want to enter them, but I entered them because I gave my word on the live stream, because that's what it's about on this channel. Keeping our word, being transparent, and giving you guys full disclosure on everything we're doing. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to answer for the first 24 hours. The first 24 hours is all I can really guarantee. It gets kind of crazy in the comments sometimes, so make sure you comment pretty quick. The quicker you comment, the faster I might respond. Again, we'll be live between 9:30, 10 p.m. Central. I know that's late, but I have a son, I have school, I'm kind of busy, I'm a busy guy, what can I say? But we're gonna be live tonight going over everything, so any questions you have, get into the live. We're live every single night. We do not miss days with videos. Some days we keep the hype videos, some days we do the updates, but overall, I never miss a day. Trading is what we do on this channel. There is no days off. Have a good one, boys. Namaste.